In this lesson, I will explain to you the weighted mean. So we will discuss weighted mean here. Mean that is calculated with extra weight given to one or more elements of the sample. See, the focus is extra weight. Sometimes we assign extra weight to one or more elements of the sample. Then we have to calculate the weighted mean instead of the arithmetic mean. The weighted mean is similar to an ordinary arithmetic mean, the most common type of average, except that instead of each of the points contributing equally to the final average, some data points contribute more than others, right? So this is the important point in order to calculate the weighted mean, that some data points contribute more than others. Here I have made an example so your concept will be clear. See, suppose a student received the following grades in different subjects. Find the GPA using weighted mean. Now here we have to use the weighted mean. These are the subjects: physics, chemistry, biology and computer, and their credits are, see, weights are different. Physics is for 4 credit, chemistry 3 credit, biology 3 credit, computer 2 credit. Again, this is just the example. And he has, suppose he has taken D grade in physics, so equal to 1 point, B grade in chemistry 2 points, biology C grade 3 points, computer he has A grade and 4 points. So normally what we do in order to calculate the arithmetic mean, we will just count all these points and divide it by 4 because these are 4. Here we have to use the weighted mean because the weight of the subjects are different. And the formula used for the weighted mean is x bar, right? It means mean. X mean equal to summation of wx. W is the weight, x is the grade, and summation of w. So see, w and x, this is the weight and this is the point. You have to multiply 4 by 1, 3 by 2, then 3 multiply by 3 and 4 to multiply by 4 points, and divided by W, weight. 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, so this is equal to 12. And here 4 1 time 4, I have made an extra step in order to make it easy. 4 1 time 4, 3 2 times 6, 3 3 times 9, 2 4 times 8 divided by 12. So it is 27 divided by 12, so equal to approximately 2.25. This is the weighted mean of these grade points, right? Weighted GPA. So what we learned in this lesson? In this lesson we have learned, instead of calculating the arithmetic mean, in weighted mean, some elements we assign a different weight to some elements. Then we have to calculate the weighted mean instead of arithmetic mean. If you still have any question regarding weighted mean, you can write down in the comment section. Thank you.